Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to know if the utorrent file contains password or not. Before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and active the bell button to receive every new. First you'll need to download utorrent. Download link in the description. I already downloaded it. Now open the utorrent file. When this window appears, uncheck all files else the txt one. Click OK. Now open their txt file and read it carefully. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Ding 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 ding.